Google's 2022 I/O Developer Keynote was jam-packed with exciting announcements, but the company couldn't let the event go by without announcing its next flagship phone, the Pixel 7 Pro. Rather than allowing leakers to have their way, Google chose to make an official tease release on its own, providing us with an early glimpse at its 2022 flagships. More information will be released in the coming months. In the interim, we've decided to compile all of the currently accessible information about the upcoming phones in order to keep you up to date on all developments leading up to the actual launch. Here's all you need to know about Google's flagship smartphone for 2022, the Pixel Pro. Watch till the end to get all the info. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. The new Pixels will have an aluminum camera bar and slightly more prominently placed lenses, with the Pixel 7 Pro's telephoto lens, we assume, being situated separate from the main and ultra-wide cameras. This slightly altered new appearance is supported by a Pixel 7 Pro unboxing video, and an early hands-on with several Pixel 7 prototypes indicates that the Pro is essentially the same size and weight as its predecessor. We also anticipate that feature to be there in the Pixel 7 Pro. The OLED panel on the Pixel 6 Pro could adjust its refresh rate between 10 Hz and 120 Hz based on what is happening on the display. The Pixel 7 Pro's anticipated price is less certain than when it will be released. Given that Apple has confirmed it will maintain its $999 starting price for the iPhone 14 Pro rather than raising costs by $100 as has been expected, we may presume Google will attempt to match last year's $899 starting price for the Pixel 6 Pro. If Google provides the Pixel 7 Pro for $899, it can still offer a lower price than the iPhone 14 Pro and the Galaxy S22 Plus. However, expenses are increasing everywhere, so it's plausible that Google's phones may be affected. As the October 6th unveiling draws near, we anticipate that Google's pricing for the Pixel 7 Pro will become more evident. The Pixel 7 Pro's cameras aren't anticipated to undergo significant alterations, but that may not be a bad thing. Given that the Pixel 6 Pro is one of the best camera phones, the new model from this year should take some incredible pictures. The Pixel 7 Pro competition will end in a draw. With Google's smartphones, camera hardware is only a portion of the picture. It's unlikely that we'll learn about those features before the Pixel 7 lineup is shown on October 6th, although we should point out that whatever is presented should be quite amazing. The Tensor 2 silicon that will power Google's upcoming phone models is the key modification to the Pixel 7 Pro that is already known. Based on functions like on-device translation and phone tree navigation, you'd say that the decision to launch the Tensor processor last year as a means of bringing more machine learning-powered experiences to its devices paid off. While performance isn't the primary reason Google switched to Tensor, we're curious to see how the new chipset compares to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that powers smartphones like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and whether it will enhance the performance of Android devices with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 based processors. Regarding battery life, speculation hasn't given us any indication of whether Google will match the Pixel 6 Pro's 5000 mAh cell. The Pixel 7 Pro's processor is well known, and we have a solid notion of what software will be introduced with it. The Pixel 7 Pro should come pre-installed with Android 13 since it is already available for Pixel phones that have previously been released. The main concern is whether Google will buckle under the pressure to offer more Android OS updates than the first three. We do hope Google has a special function or two up its sleeve that offers a magic eraser amount of wow, given the Pixel 7 Pro's camera technology is unlikely to alter much. We're eager to learn what new features a second-generation Tensor chipset will give Pixel 7 Pro owners. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.